The powers, privileges and immunities of Parliament and its members as envisaged in Article 105 of the Constitution leave room for a large number of uncodified and unenumerated privileges to continue. Assess the reasons for the absence of legal codification of the parliamentary privileges. How can this problem be addressed? 200 words, 12.5 marks. Introduction. Parliamentary privileges are the rights and immunities essential for the functioning of the Parliament and its members. Article 105 of the Indian Constitution mentions these privileges, but they are not explicitly listed or defined in law, meaning they are uncodified. Body. Reasons for the absence of legal codification. Historical context. Parliamentary privileges originated from the British parliamentary system, which also does not codify these privileges. Flexibility. The lack of codification allows Parliament to interpret these privileges flexibly, adapting to new situations while maintaining its dignity and efficiency. Autonomy and independence. Uncodified privileges help keep Parliament independent from judicial review, protecting its functions. Difficulty in definition. It is challenging to define and enumerate privileges clearly due to their broad and complex nature. Problems of uncodified privileges. Arbitrary application. The absence of codification can lead to inconsistent application of privileges. Lack of transparency. This can make it hard for the public to understand these privileges, impacting accountability. Possible solutions. Codification. Clearly defining privileges would improve public understanding and provide guidelines for Parliament members. Development of precedents. Systematically recording decisions regarding privileges can guide future applications. Judicial review. Allowing courts to review privilege-related decisions could prevent misuse while respecting Parliament's autonomy. Periodic review. Regular assessments of privilege practices can lead to improvements. Public awareness. Increasing public understanding of parliamentary privileges can enhance transparency and accountability. Conclusion. While uncodified parliamentary privileges allow for flexibility and protect Parliament's autonomy, they also create challenges regarding transparency and consistency. Balancing these aspects is essential for a more accountable and effective parliamentary system.